Hello, my friends! I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Here I post sing-along vocal warm-ups and exercises, vocal pedagogy tips, and other relevant educational topics. Today we're going to do 5 warm-ups together and talk about why they work. If you've sung in a choir or chorus or even taken some lessons, it's likely you've done a lot of different warm-ups, but we often don't stop to talk about why we do them or why they work. Now, after you're aligned and focused, let's do some semi-occluded vocal tract work. You can do more of those with me and learn more about them at this link above. SOVT work is like training wheels or water aerobics for your voice. It helps equalize subglottal and supraglottal pressure to allow your vocal folds to work more easily. Let's sing on a lip trill like... If a lip trill doesn't work for you, go ahead and sing this on a zh, zh. Here we go. Now let's sing. This is an exercise that helps the vocal folds achieve full closure during their vibratory cycle. This makes sure that the sound is efficient and not airy. Other exercises that do this are exercises that use the sound or a bright e or even a nay, nay, nay. So again, we're going to sing. Here we go. Moving on now to neo. This multi-purpose exercise helps out with quite a few things. One main technique this works is a smooth crossing of the passaggio. When we work on these descending pentascales, we can work the transition from head voice into chest voice. We can work with the image of a pyramid, singing lighter to heavier, like yo, 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 yo. Retain that feeling as we sing a little bit higher. This also takes a bright E vowel and moves it on to a rounder O vowel. Here we go. Yo, 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 yo. 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 Next, let's sing money, 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 mo. This works on ascending thirds, both major and minor, and mixed small intervals moving down. This helps with accuracy and agility. Also, the sound will help us start with an engaged, efficient sound. Again, that's money, 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 mo. Here we go. Money, 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 mo. 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 Finally today, let's try the exercise yo ho 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 ho. This works on breath control and coordination as we start each note with that pulsed feel, yo ho ho. This can also work into a higher range where I would recommend modifying the vowel to more of an ah sound. Again, let's sing yo ho 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 ho. Here we go. Yo ho 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 ho. 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 Thank you so much for singing with me today. Do me a favor and make sure you've subscribed to my channel if you appreciate this content. I will see you next time.